The Dollar Tree has Halloween decorations! Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and other than the essentials you're going to need for the fall season, like moss and rope and other little cool things like this green stuff that you're going to need for your craft supplies. They've also got their garlands out, lots of beautiful color leaves, and I'm not a big fan of their scarecrows, but moving on, lots of pumpkins, so many pumpkins. But my favorite's got to be the sugar skulls. Those are awesome. And the placemats this season are adorable with gold trim. There's so many Halloween decorations out already, but no skeletons. Let's hope those mini skeletons find their way there. I think there's still plenty of room to put out more fall. And those sugar skulls are going to be the best DIY project this Halloween. And I hope you find the perfect fall and Halloween decorations for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!